this week is being in nature, mindfulness, and where to visit. So I'm sure you guys have some good ideas for us. So first, our icebreaker. Today we're going to do a question of the day. So what is your favorite place to visit or vacation? So I'll go first. Mine is Anna Maria Island in Florida.
Ooh, wow.
That's my favorite place. And then like camping, but
You just said it because it's your name.
yeah.
Oh, so where is it located in Florida? Where, like in the middle of Florida?
It's like an island. I think you have to go to Bradenton. Bradenton's, I don't know what side.
Okay.
Is it near West Palm Beach?
I don't think so. I think
No?
it might be like on the opposite
Oh.
side.
We were actually born in Bradenton, so that's
Yeah.
why she knows the island because we used to live in
You
Florida.
were born there.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow. Oh, nice.
So I guess you can start. Where's your
Well,
favorite
I
place?
like Washington State because you have the ocean on one side, you have the fresh water. I visited Space Needle. You have Pikes Market there, so that's the area I like.
It's on my bucket list. I've never been
Yeah.
to the West Coast.
Yeah, it's beautiful, and those mountains are breathtaking.
I know. I've seen the pictures.
Yeah.
Italy.
Oh, yeah.
I could live there.
Lots of
It's
flowers.
flowers, good food, handsome men.
Oh,
That's also on the bucket list.
No, we've been. Oh, on your bucket list.
Oh yeah, on my bucket list. Sorry. I mean, I guess you can go back.
Oh, we're going. We're going.
My favorite park is Hot Brook Park, exit 17
Okay.
in Naugatuck. I love that.
Oh
The
wow.
falls and the dam. I love just walking, picnicking. You been?
We should go. No.
Yeah, I've been there.
I've been in Niagara Falls.
Yeah, I've been there.
I've been to Canada. Sorry.
We're the habitually late people.
We're doing, we didn't miss much. We're doing being in nature, mindfulness, and where to visit. And we're doing our icebreaker, which is what is your favorite place to visit or vacation?
You want me to talk?
Yeah.
Well, I've been up to Canada near the falls, and they always have flowers, round circle flowers. And when you get up to the top, a clock goes off.
Oh.
It's really beautiful there. And you go to the Maid of the Mist boat, and they give you a raincoat and a hat. That's the Horseshoe Falls. But they're surrounded by lots of flowers. You can't miss it.
That is being added to the bucket list.
Oh, yes.
We're boots.
We didn't need boots.
My favorite places was in Saratoga. Up in Saratoga, New York. There's just lots of storage stuff up there and beautiful, besides the racetrack. But there's just a lot of beautiful country up there. And I just loved it up there. And one of the other nice places, right here in Orange State, Sherwood Island.
Sure.
You can go out there and you can walk and walk and walk and walk. And there's just a lot of beautiful grounds up there. And we have the ocean.
Yeah, I love the ocean.
Sure.
Perfect. What's your favorite place?
Oh, my favorite place is Delaware because you could go right out into a couple of beaches and you could be swimming like with dolphins, or they're right by you. If you go out there like on a kayak or something, and it's a beautiful place. But I would like to vacation in Ireland. We'll see.
Fingers crossed.
Bucket list.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll finish the back row.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. I haven't been to very many places, so I've got a lot on my bucket list. But when I was growing up, I spent a good part of my summers on Bass River, and I like to go back there. And it's a little more traffic and stuff there now, but I like to go when it's the off-season. Your favorite place to visit?
The south of France.
The Riviera? Riviera or? Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh,
Very nice.
Nice.
I don't have a specific place except for within mountains. I like going up A bunch of us ladies have done several trips now as a group, and just very peaceful and relaxing. And somehow we always get, we stay out of trouble, but we have a lot of fun.
Like camping or like in a cabin or like a
We usually like rent a big house and just go exploring the area, and some kayak, some hike, or we go tack sailing, or just whatever the area offers, you just sort of explore.
Same.
I would have to say my favorite place would be Scotland.
Nice.
I love Ireland, but Scotland is just a little bit nicer.
Just like that little bit.
Oh, yeah.
And they killed.
Yes, yes.
I still in Ireland.
Well,
Oh, heck, I saw one the other day.
My brother has a kilt. He
ah,
got
yes.
married in his kilt.
Oh, really? Nice.
Well, they're wearing kilts.
Ah.
Anyways.
Okay, well, let's get into it. So this week is about mindfulness, as you can see. And so mindfulness is the practice of purposely focusing your attention on the present. So clearing your mind and accepting the moment without judgment or like anger, other things that's going on. And what I found cool in my research was it has strong scientific links to stress reduction and increased happiness, which are all good things to have. And so meditation is usually deep abdominal breathing, like through in your belly, not like up in your chest. And so that is being proven to have connections that boost your immune health and your mental state. There's like a lot of studies that are coming out that I think are really cool because I'm really into the health stuff. And so mindfulness has it's like way back roots in like religion and like prayer, like just sitting down and like clearing your mind. And it is slowly like transformed into like yoga and Tai Chi and other forms of, so you can do it while you're moving or while you're sitting, which I think is cool. And you can do like private silent meditation or guided, or like while you're walking, just clearing your mind. Pretty cool, versatile. So that brings us to our next topic. So what is stress? So stress, we all experience, we all know. The brain and the body's response to change, challenge, or demand. So that could be like healthy stress can help us get stuff done in time, you know. Stress, I got this presentation done on time, it was ready to go. But too much stress is a bad thing. So the danger of chronic stress, it can cause chemical changes in your body, raise your blood pressure, your heart rate, your blood sugar levels, all this bad stuff. And so a little scientific tangent for everyone who's interested. So the sympathetic nervous system is your fight or flight response, which is what stress activates. So that's like elevated heart rate. And so prolonged stress keeps you in your sympathetic nervous system for like too long than what you're meant to be. What you want to be is in your parasympathetic nervous system, which is called rest and digest, which sounds a lot better because it's where you digest your food, you get energy. There's a lot more that goes into it, but what's cool is the deep abdominal breathing I was talking about before, how it's linked to your two nervous systems is breathing in your abdomen, like deep, that activates your parasympathetic nervous system. So it takes you out of that fight or flight response, and it slows you down and it reactivates the good rest and digest. So that's kind of the scientific background of like why mindfulness and slowing down can help reduce your stress and elevate your happiness and your mood, boost your metabolism. So yeah, lucky for us, research shows that just 5 minutes of meditation or mindfulness a day can help clear your mind, improve your mood, boost your brain function. I do that. Reduce your stress, slow down the aging process, and support a healthy metabolism. So it's pretty cool. So that brings us to mindfulness in nature, because I thought nature is the perfect place to be mindful, because you can clear your mind but still have the beautiful, everything of nature around you, like the beautiful sights, the birds, the flowers, the smells, the wind, and the fresh air on your skin. And you're away from the hustle and bustle of everything. So it's great. And now into some places you guys can chime in. Where to visit locally. So obviously Candlewood Lake in New Fairfield and also the surrounding areas. Swans Pond, Great Hollow in Sherman, Terry Weil Mansion in Danbury. I think that's a pretty great place. Kent Waterfall and Kenosha Park. I don't know if you have any other places you like to go in the area.
We have a lot of fun in Ball Pond.
There's a-
Highlights.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we
Just going out for an hour, floating around is very helpful in Moss. Brings her chair and a book and stays in the shade on this bank and just reads and pretty swamp. Yeah, the swamp, yeah.
Did you have a suggestion?
Yeah, I wanted to say Macedonia State Park up in Kent is a nice place to walk.
Yes.
It's pretty up there.
Cool. Okay. And then a little further away, still in Connecticut, Cove Park in Stamford, Mystic Seaport, Ocean Beach, Elizabeth Park in Hartford, which is the Rose Garden,
Oh,
and then Long Island. I don't know if there's other places like,
big,
yeah, Cape Cod, I guess.
In New Milford, there's a Harry Brook Park.
Yeah, that's
and
nice.
We walk in there and there's a peacock there.
Oh.
My granddaughter makes noise and
It
she's
makes a
the
funny
only one
noise.
that can get that thing to open its tail. She makes some funny noise and I can't make the noise, but she can.
I think
It's
you
a
have to,
beautiful park.
I think
It's
you
a
have to
beautiful
whistle.
park.
I don't know what she does, but he opens his tail for her. I got beautiful pictures.
Does he just roam freely or?
No, he's
No, he's in a
He
cage.
is, okay.
He's in a
Okay.
cage.
I would like to mention the backyard.
Yeah, our backyard.
Our backyard is
See,
beautiful. And also across the street, if you walk through the parking lot of the doctor's office, you'll be at the Dunham Pond, the land trust property.
Oh, wow. Across the street?
I keep seeing that sign when I go to the doctor's, think, oh yeah, when I leave, I'm gonna drive down and see it and go see it, and then I down there.
Place I like is Rogers Park. Cause they
Yeah.
have the bike lane, they have fun, where you can walk around the circle. They have, exercise.
Gotta watch where you step though.
Yeah, but they have the ducks that go in the water and geese, and then they even have play skate for the kids, tennis courts, so.
And I catch a baseball game. Who knows?
Very westerns.
I help athletic train for them.
You did?
I shadow it.
Oh, wonderful. They come from all over the country, right?
I was so, because I didn't know about it.
Semi-professional.
Yeah, until like this summer, I didn't realize that was a thing.
Wait, what is it?
It's baseball.
It's like
Oh, it's
Korean
baseball.
baseball,
Oh.
summer league.
They play at Rogers Park.
Are they semi-professional or?
Yeah, they're all like college kids who are like looking to go for a professional. It's pretty cool. And that's the end of the presentation. And our plan is to go outside and have a little mindfulness session.
Practice.
Yes.
Right.
If there's any questions before we go outside.
Yeah, I wanna ask you, where's that picture taken on the right-hand side where all the flowers are going underneath there?
This is Elizabeth Park in Hartford. It's a big rose garden.
You'd love it.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Beautiful.
I've never been, but when I was looking at the pictures, breathtaking.
Wow, that's beautiful.
So if you're into flowers, definitely go check that out.
Yeah, I'm gonna check that.
Elizabeth.
Yeah. It's not too far. But great, cool. Let's head on out.
Outside.